carbon we have seen alkane, alkene and alkyne. So they are aliphatic hydrocarbon. The next one, if it is contained a closed ring with a double bond, we call that as a aromatic hydrocarbon. These aromatic hydrocarbon are specialized cyclic compound which are known for their characteristics unique smell. So the group is called arenes. Most of the aromatic compound were found to contain benzene ring. Most of the aromatic compound contain benzene ring. Benzene ring is highly unsaturated and is involved in most of the reactions of aromatic hydrocarbon. The unsaturation of benzene ring is retained. Benzene and its derivatives are called benzoate compound. Benzenoid compound. Benzene and its derivatives are called benzenoid compound. However, there are many aromatic hydrocarbons also that do not have benzene ring. Such compounds are called non-benzenoid compound. Example of benzenoid compound, benzene, naphthalene or benzenoid compound. Pyrrole is a non-benzenoid compound. Benzene has 6 carbon atom. Here benzene, toluene, naphthalene, biphenyl, they are the benzenoid compound. Here you have to learn the structure of benzene, naphthalene, biphenyl, toluene. These are the benzenoid compound. Nomenclature of benzene compound. The nomenclature and isomerism of aromatic compound already we have learned. So when you see this benzene ring, 6 hydrogen atoms of benzene are equivalent. So it gives only one type of product on mono substitution. For example, distribution of 3 products like 1 2 1 6 1 3 1 2, if the hydrogen are present in or substitution are present in 1 2 or 1 6, will say it is ortho. If the substitutions are present in 1 3 or 1 5, we say it is meta. If the substitutions are present in 1 4, then it is known as para. So you have to concentrate in this ortho position, meta position, para position. If the substituents are present in 1 2, then we say it is ortho. Or 1 6, then also we say it is ortho. If the substituents are present in 1 3 or 1 5, we say it is meta position. If the substitutions are present in 1 4, we say it is para position. So toluene, in this only one substitution is there, we say it is methyl benzene or toluene. In this next compound, first substitution is present in first carbon and next methyl group is present in second carbon. It is known as 1,2 dimethyl benzene. 1,2 dimethyl benzene. Otherwise, orthosilane. Orthosilane. Why do we say it is orthosilane? Because the substituents are present in first carbon and second carbon. If the methyl group is present in third carbon, we say it is 1,3 dimethyl benzene or metasilane. Metasilane. If the substituents are present in first carbon and fourth carbon opposite, then it is known as 1,4 dimethyl benzene or parasilane. Metasilane and parasilane. Structure of benzene. So benzene was first time isolated by Michael Faraday. Its molecular formula is C6H6, which shows the presence of high degree of unsaturation. It is highly stable molecule. It forms a triozonide with ozone, which shows the presence of 3 double bond. Further, on substitution, it gives only one mono substituted product, which shows that all the 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atoms of benzene are identical. So that only it form only mono substituted product. On the basis of above observation, August Hecule, he proposed the following structure for benzene. In this structure, cyclic arrangement of 6 carbon atoms with alternate single bond and double bond and one hydrogen atom attached to each carbon atom. So if you see the Hecule structure, benzene has 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atom. In this, 6 carbon atoms with alternate single and double bond and one hydrogen atom attached to each carbon atom. So, however, the structure indicates the possibility of formation of two isomeric, that is 1,2 dibromobenzene in one isomer, and bromine atom is attached to the double bonded carbon atom, whereas in other it is attached to the single bonded carbon atom. So this is a Hecule structure of benzene. There are two isomer is possible with bromine atom. Bromine atom is attached to the double bond. In first one, bromine atom is attached to the double bonded carbon atom, whereas in other, bromine atom is attached to the single bonded carbon atom. However, in actual practice, only one ortho substituted product is obtained. Thus, Hecule solved this problem by suggesting the concept of oscillating the nature of double bond in benzene. So, both are equal. If the double bond which is present in benzene, if this both structure are equal structure. However, he remained unable to explain the unusual stability and preference for substitution rather than addition reaction in benzene. So, due to that, the concept of resonance were introduced. Resonance. So, that means unusual stability of presence of double bond. Benzene was found only with ortho distributed product. So, even with this modification, Hecule structure of benzene fails to explain unusual stability and preference to substitution reaction than addition reaction, which could later on be explained by resonance. Resonance and stability of benzene. So, because of the presence of double bond, now this resonance and stability of benzene is explained. So, the stability of benzene can be explained on the basis of the concept of resonance. According to Hecule, benzene is a resonance hybrid of two structures, that is first structure and A structure and B structure. In the A structure, the double bond is present in first two carbon. In next structure, the double bond is present in another carbon atom. It appear in such a way, but both are the stable structure. So A and B and the hybrid structure may be represented by intersecting a circle or dotted circle in the hexagon as shown in the cycle. So when we are drawing this benzene with the double bond may be present in one structure in first one carbon atom. In another structure, it is showing the double bond in another carbon atom. So instead of showing this line, we can show us a dotted line or we can show us a ring. The ring shows that the double bond may present in any of the carbon atom with the alternate position. So the circle represents the 6 electrons which are delocalized between the 6 carbon atoms of the benzene ring. So this is a resonance structure of benzene. Electronic configuration of benzene, orbital structure of benzene. In benzene, all the 6 carbon atoms contain 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. out of which sp2 hybrid orbitals of each carbon atom overlap with sp2 hybrid orbitals of adjacent carbon atom to form 6 carbon-carbon sigma bond which lie in the hexagonal plane. This electron dot structure of benzene. Here if you see this carbon and hydrogen, they are sharing the electrons. 2 carbon atom, it contains 2 electrons sharing, so double bond. Next carbon, it is sharing 1 electron is, so single bond. So alternate single bond and double bond is occur. So benzene was considered as parent aromatic compound. Now the name is applied to all the ring system, whether or not having benzene ring possessing following character. That means planarity, complete delocalization of pi electrons in the ring, presence of 4n plus 2 pi electrons in the ring, where n is an integer 0, 1, 2. This is often referred to Heckel rule. Here are some example of aromatic compounds are benzene, cyclopentadienyl, cycloheptatrienyl, naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene. So these structures, if you see these structures, all the one contain benzene ring. Preparation of benzene. Benzene is commercially obtained from coal tar, but in laboratory it is prepared from different following process. From decarboxylation of aromatic acids. Carboxylic acid, decarboxylation of aromatic acid. When sodium salt of benzoic acid is heated with soda lime. Soda lime is a combination of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. It gives benzene. So benzoic acid, if the benzoic acid is treated with soda lime, it gives sodium benzoate. C6H5COONA. Sodium benzoate. Now the sodium benzoate is again treating with soda lime to give benzene and sodium carbonate. From the decarboxylation of aromatic acid. By the reduction of phenol. When vapors of phenol are passed over heated zinc dust, benzene is obtained. Phenol is the C6H5OH. So C6H5OH, C6H5 is a ring structure. In that OH group is present, then we say it is a phenol. So phenol react with zinc to give on heating benzene with zinc oxide. Benzene and zinc oxide. Next one, by cyclic polymerization of ethine. Cyclic polymerization of ethine. When ethine or acetylene is passed through the red hot metallic tube, cyclic polymerization takes place and benzene is formed. The ethine, the cyclic polymerizations can be noted down. Ethine is there, CH, triple bond CH, and the triple bond is delocalizing and change into form a ring, 3 ethine. So this is the structure of 3 ethine. 3 ethine with triple bond. Now when it is treating with red hot iron tube, the triple bond is turned and form a ring like structure to give benzene. Look at this, from one CH group is coming out and connecting with the other CH, like 3 triple bond is broken. So one single bond come out from the triple bond to form a cyclic compound. it form a benzene around 1500 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius. Physical properties of benzene. Aromatic hydrocarbon being non-polar molecules are insoluble in water but are readily miscible with organic solvent. They are colorless liquid or solid that have characteristics aroma, example naphthalene ball. They burn with sooty flame because they are unsaturated, so they burn with sooty flame. Benzene is soluble like carbon tetrachloride. It is a good organic solvent. Benzene burn with sooty flame because it is an aromatic compound. Boiling point of benzene is 353 Kelvin. Chemical reaction of benzene. Important chemical reaction exhibited by benzene are readily it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction and addition reaction. It undergoes electrophilic substitution and addition reaction. Here are the few important chemical reaction of benzene. Nitration of benzene. Nitration of benzene. Benzene undergoes nitration when treated with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. As we have seen, the electrophilic nitronium ion NO2 was produced by transfer of a proton from sulfuric acid to nitric acid. So first nitric acid and sulfuric acid react. It produces NO2, that is electrophilic reagent. Now benzene react with nitric acid means in the presence of sulfuric acid, first NO2 nitronium ion is produced. That nitronium ion is combined with benzene to form nitrobenzene. Next is sulfonation of benzene. In the sulfonation of benzene, it is done by heating benzene with fuming sulfuric acid. That means oleum, fumic sulfuric acid. A mixture of benzene ring, fuming sulfuric acid or oleum. It is a mixture of sulfuric acid and SO3. When it is heated at 353 Kelvin temperature, one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced to give benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid with SO3H group. Halogenation of benzene. When benzene is treated with chlorine, bromination or chlorination, it is treated with chlorine or bromine in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst, aluminum chloride or ferric chloride or ferric bromide, and in the absence of light. So this reaction is carried out in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst and in the absence of light. Lewis acid catalyst example are aluminum chloride or ferric chloride or ferric bromide. So benzene react with chlorine with the presence of anhydride aluminum chloride to give chlorobenzene in the absence of light and give hydrogen chloride. And further addition of chlorine, one more time it give dichlorobenzene. In this you will get two combination, that is orthodichlorobenzene and paradichlorobenzene. In such a way, if E plus is in excess, further substitution takes place. Example, benzene on treating with excess of chlorine in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride can be chlorinated to hexachlorobenzene. That means C6Cl6. C6Cl6. All the chlorine atom can be hydrogen atom be replaced by chlorine. So this is the structure for hexachlorobenzene. Formula is C6Cl6. Next, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylations. When benzene is treated with alkyl halide in the presence of anhydride aluminum chloride, it gives alkyl benzene. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Benzene ring is there, methyl chloride is there. In the presence of aluminum chloride, it gives toluene and hydrochloric acid. Next, benzene is reacting with bromochloride. It gives ethyl. If it is treated with methyl chloride, toluene will provide. It give treated with ethyl chloride, give ethyl benzene. If it treated with propyl chloride, give propyl benzene. So propyl benzene is reacting with aluminum chloride to give propyl. So on the rearrangement, it gives secondary propyl. So primary propyl is less stable. On the rearrangement, it forms a secondary propyl. So it is a stable one. Next, Friedel-Crafts acylation. When benzene is treated with alkyl halide or acid anhydride in the presence of a Lewis acid, acyl benzene is obtained as a product. So benzene is there. Acetyl chloride, CH3COCl is acetyl chloride. On treating with aluminum chloride anhydrous, that's a Lewis acid, give acetophenone. Benzene with COCH3 is known as acetophenone. Now, benzene is treating with acetic anhydride on in the presence of anhydride aluminum chloride to give acetophenone. In this, along with this, acetic acid is coming as a byproduct. So acetophenone can be prepared by two methods, by using acetyl chloride and also by using acetic anhydride. Next, addition reaction. So addition reaction, in this, hydrogen is adding in the presence of nickel palladium catalyst at high temperature. It reduced to cyclohexane. All the double bond is removed. So benzene is changed into cyclohexane. When benzene is treated with chlorine molecule in the presence of ultraviolet light radiation, radiation, addition of chlorine takes place and benzene hexachloride C6H6Cl6 or gamaxene is obtained. Gamaxene is obtained when benzene is treated with chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet. So UV ray is passing, you will get benzene hexachloride or gamaxene. Next, combustion reaction. When benzene is burned in the excess of air, it burns with sooty flame because it is a unsaturated carbon flame to give carbon dioxide and water. So benzene plus oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water. So balance equation for combustion of benzene, C6H6 plus 15 by 2 O2, 6 CO2 plus 3 H2O. So general combustion reactions for any hydrocarbon may be given by the following. CC's general combustion for the reaction of any hydrocarbon. Look at this CXHY. That means see how many C that is considered as X, how many hydrogen it is considered as Y, plus X plus Y by 4. X plus Y by 4. X is carbon, Y is hydrogen. By 4 into, that is O2, and X CO2 plus y by 2. So if you take this benzene, x is 6, y is 6. So 15 by 2, that is x is 6 plus 6 by 2. 6 plus 6 by 2, so that only 15 by 2 and 6 CO2. Why? Because x is 6. So we are getting 6 CO2 and y is 6. So 3 by 2, y by 2 is 3. So 3H2O. So this one you can take it as a standard method for balancing hydrocarbon. Next one is carcinogenicity and toxicity. Carcinogenicity. The polynuclear hydrocarbons having two or more fused benzene rings are toxic and have carcinogenic, that means cancer producing property. These are obtained by incomplete combustion of organic material like tobacco, coal, and petroleum. They reach into the human body and undergo several biochemical reactions. They damage DNA and cause cancer. Some example of carcinogenic hydrocarbon are 1,2 benzanthracene, 3-methyl chloranthracene, 9,10 dimethyl 1,2 benzanthracene, 1,2 benzpyrene, 1,2,5,6 dibenzanthracene. So they are the carcinogenicity and toxicity benzene compound. So in previous classes we have seen about conformation of ethane. So conformation means arrangement of carbon atom. In this it gives two type of structure. One is Sawhorse representation. In Sawhorse representation, in this projection the molecule is viewed along the axis of the model from an opaque angle. So when you see this conformation of methane, it give two type of structure, that is staggered and eclipse formation. When you see this Sawhorse projection, in this there is a long straight line upper end of which is slightly tilted towards right or left hand side. This line shows the central carbon-carbon bond. The lower end of this line shows the front carbon and upper end represent the rear, the atom away from the eye, carbon atom. So when you see this, if you hold this structure in such a way, you can assume the lower end of this line shows the front carbon and upper end represent the rear carbon. Each carbon atom has 3 lines attached to it. That shows 3 carbon atom inclined to an angle of 120 degree each. So Sawhorse projections are eclipsed and staggered formations given here. So this is the Sawhorse projection for eclipsed and staggered conformation of ethane. You have to draw the structure for Sawhorse projection of ethane. Next, Newman projection. In this projection, the front carbon is represented by a point and the 3 hydrogen atoms to it by 3 lines attached to the point at an angle of 120 degree from each other. The rear carbon is shown by a circle and 3 shorter lines arising from the circle at an angle of 120 degree to each other. So that shows the 3 hydrogen atoms attached to the rear carbon atom. The Newman projection for staggered eclipsed skew conformation of ethane are shown here. So here these are the staggered and eclipse conformation of ethane. in Newman's projection. Here in aromatic hydrocarbon is a benzene. You can go through this point. Examples of benzene carbon. Resonance structure of benzene. Take a point from here. Due to the resonance, the electron change in benzene gets distributed over greater area, that it gets delocalized. As a result of delocalization, the energy of resonance hybrid decreases as compared to contributing structure by about 50 kilojoule per mole. The decrease in energy is called resonance energy. Therefore, it is stabilized and behaves as a saturated hydrocarbon. When you see this orbital structure of benzene, in benzene all the 6 carbon atom contain 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, out of which 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals, each carbon atom overlap with sp2 hybrid orbital of adjacent carbon atom to form 6 carbon-carbon sigma bond which lie in the hexagonal plane. The remaining sp2 hybrid orbital of each carbon atom overlap with one s orbital of a hydrogen atom to give 6 carbon hydrogen sigma bond. Each carbon also has one unhybridized p orbital which is perpendicular to the plane of the ring, which is shown here. So orbital structure of benzene. So the unhybridized p orbital of each carbon atom overlap laterally with the p orbital of adjacent carbon atom to form a pi bond. In general, these are two equal possibilities. There are two equal possibilities of 3 pi bond by the overlap of p orbitals. So carbon 1 to 2, carbon 3 to 4, carbon 5 to 6. First one it shows. Next one it shows carbon 2 to 3, carbon 4 to 5 and carbon 6 to 1. These are the resonance orbital structure of benzene. So overlapping of p orbital is there. Because of that it is forming a sigma bond, and also ring structure it formed. So the above fact is also supported by X-ray refraction. X-ray diffraction, which showed that all carbon-carbon bond length are equal, that is 139 picometer, and intermediate of single and double bond length the overlapping of p orbital of adjacent carbon atom can also be represented in two donut ring in the form of two donut of electron cloud shown in the figure. So one above and one below the plane, the hexagonal rings are present. So it looks like the electron cloud. So the resultant orbital cloud is spread over all the 6 carbon atom. As a result, there are two continuous rings of electron clouds, one above and the other below the plane of the carbon atom. So it looks like an electron cloud. Cyclopentadienyl anion. This is not a benzoid compound. This is non-benzoid compound. The main essential for aromaticity. Delocalization. The molecule should contain a cyclic cloud of delocalized electron above and below the plane of molecule. Next, planarity. For the delocalization of electron, the ring must be planar to allow cyclic overlap of p orbital. Therefore, a molecule be a aromatic. The ring must be a planar and also 4n plus 2 electrons. For aromaticity, the electron cloud must contain total of 4n plus 2 electrons where n is an integer equal to 1, 2, 3. So this is known, here is the Heckel rule. So this is known as Heckel rule. That means the electron should be present in aromatic or 4n plus 2. Here is the example: benzene 6 electron, naphthalene 10 electron, anthracene 14 electron. So in benzene where n is 1, in naphthalene where that n is 2, in anthracene where the n is 3. So n represent the whole structure of cyclic ring. So name the hydrocarbon with one cyclic ring is benzene. Name the hydrocarbon with two cyclic ring, that is naphthalene. Naphthalene contains 10 electron. Anthracene which contain 3 ring. Here is a preparation of benzene with the phenol, and from this carboxylic acid, properties of benzene already we have seen. Chemical properties in this electrophilic substitution reaction. Under this electrophilic substitution, nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So in this mechanism of electrophilic substitution, first generation of the electrophile. First one electrophile will form. Next, formation of carbocation intermediate. So this next, by removal of proton from the carbonation intermediate. So let us take this example, that generation of electrophile. First one electrophile will generate. For example, if you take this chlorine, when you see this chemical reaction of benzene, benzene is react with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride in this halogenation. Take this example of halogenation reaction. In this halogenation reaction, first chlorine will undergo electrophile formation. So the attacking reagent may not be strong electrophile. Therefore, first of an electrophile is generated by some preliminary reaction. For example, during chlorination of benzene, an electrophile is generated by reacting with anhydrous aluminum chloride used as catalyst. So chlorine is reacting with aluminum chloride, anhydrous aluminum chloride, to form chlorine free radical Cl plus ion it's forming. Cl plus it is forming, and AlCl4 two ions it forms. Now one electrophile is generated, that is Cl plus. Next, formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. The electrophile E plus, that means Cl plus. Here is electrophile plus, that is E plus. Here we have Cl plus. Approaches the electron cloud of the aromatic ring and form a bond with carbon, creating a positive charge on the ring. This results in the formation of a sigma complex called arenium ion. So benzene is there. Now this electrophile is attached to this benzene ring. So sp2 hybridized carbon. In this electrophile is attached to give sigma complex called arenium ion. The arenium ion gets stabilized by resonance. So once again it delocalized. The structure will get delocalized. So due to this resonance, this bond is rearranging. Rearrangement has taken place. So finally The resulting carbocation has three important contributing structure which spread the positive charge over the remaining carbon atom. Draw the resonance structure for benzene. Intermediate compound, how the carbocation is formed, or rhenium ion. Next, removal of proton. So in this carbocation formed loses a proton in the nucleophile. Proton to the nucleophile NO present in the reaction mixture to form a substitution product. During this step, the aromatic character of the benzene ring is restored and this step is fast. The loss of proton allows the two electrons from the carbon halogen bond to move a regenerate the aromatic ring and thus restoring the aromatic character. So once again the rearrangement takes place. So the three steps you can mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. The three steps can be written in your classwork. Here are the addition reaction, combustion reaction. Next, direct influence of functional group in monosubstituted benzene. Ortho and para directing group and meta directing group. Ortho and para directing group. The groups which direct the incoming group of ortho and para position are called ortho-para directing group. As an example, here phenol is there. So by the rearrangement, first one, second structure, third structure, fourth structure, finally fifth structure. The resonance structure of phenol shows that all the overall electron density of the benzene ring increases in comparison to benzene. Therefore, it is an activating group. Next, meta-directing group. So, ortho-directing group and meta-directing group. The group which directed the incoming group to meta position are called meta-directing group. So these are the example of meta-directing group. Carcinogenicity and toxicity. The structure of carcinogen are important. Write and practice all the structure and reaction.